Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin' Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper. We're camping at Donny Park near Flagstaff, Arizona, and we just finished making some delicious cheesy bacon skillet. 3 different kinds of cheese, hash browns, bacon, and eggs come together in a quick and delicious breakfast. Keep watching and we'll show you how to make it. Now for this recipe, you're just gonna need a few ingredients. We've got some hash browns, the ones cut into cubes, a few eggs, we have 6 slices of peppered bacon, Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, and pepper jack cheese. Now the first step in this recipe is just to cut up the bacon. And I find it to be a lot easier to use a pair of scissors instead of a knife. Now these are a little bit thick, so I am just going to do a couple of slices at a time. So now that we've got them about this size, we're just going to turn on our cooktop. I'm going to put mine on high, and then we are just going to drop in that bacon. Now the reason that we put in the bacon first is because it takes the longest to cook. So it goes bacon, hash browns, and eggs, and that's how we'll put them in. Now our bacon has been going on high for about 5 to 7 minutes. So now we're going to add our hash browns in, but I'll show you how we're going to do it. So we are going to move the bacon to the edges and leave that center bit open. And then we are going to measure out some of our hash browns. And these are going to suck up all of that bacon flavor. Now the hash browns have been in there for 10 minutes. And after that 10 minutes plus the bacon cooking time, you can see that the bacon is nice and crunchy and we're getting some really good color on the hash browns. Now we're going to drop in our eggs. And then you'll just scramble those around, and the eggs will cook probably within 1 to 2 minutes. So if you look close, the egg is solidified, and that means that we can put in our cheese. And here is the finished product. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you try out this recipe and like it, make sure to give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. We hope that you can get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do.